Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a part from one side and making a braid like this. Then we are going to loosen it as shown, and then from another side we are taking a bit of hair and then applying a rubber band and then folding it out into itself. Then we are going to join it with a braid and then applying this beautiful star clips. Next we are going to take this beautiful clip, then taking 3 layers and attaching it to a hairstyle. Let's move ahead. Here we are making braid by taking some hair and then we are going to loosen it. Then we are taking 2 parts of hair from both the sides and joined it with rubber band. At last we are going to make a bun from remaining hair. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, joining it with rubber band. Then we are going to loosen it, and then to the remaining hair we are going to make a braid and loosen it. Then we are going to attach it whole into a bun and you can see it's done. Let's move ahead. Here we've attached a clip and then taking 3 layers from our hair and then attaching it to the same clip, then making a braid and folding it out into a simple bun, and then we are securing it with a pin. Next we are going to apply this clip in our hair and then taking 3 layers and attaching it to that clip. Then we are taking our remaining hair and then making a blow bun out of it. Next we are going to take 2 layers and then attaching it with rubber band, repeating the same step once again, and then to the remaining hair we are making this bun. Next we are going to section our hair into 2 parts, going to make 2 braids as shown in the video, and then we are going to loosen it as shown. After that we are going to fold it into opposite direction and secure it with some pins. Next we are going to take 2 parts of hair and joining it with rubber band, and then repeating the same step once more, and then we are going to loosen it. After that we are going to make a braid from rest of the untied hair as shown, and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we're gonna move ahead. Here we are making a braid and then we are going to fold it and shape it into a bun. Then we are going to loosen it and applying a clip.